Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my first New Year's fire alarm sound off. We have our generic whatever on the wall, setting off with this system, and then we got our other generic one, system sensor, and a wheel lock going to be going off with this pulse station, simplex. So, I can get a countdown on my watch. Okay, we got 15 seconds.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! It's not loud. Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year!
Hope you enjoy 2023, and hope it's a good year. See you guys. I can't say next year because it already is next year. So, see you guys later. Bye.